Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and network. Make sure your TV and casting device share the same Wi-Fi. This allows discovery and streaming. Once done, plug the Chromecast into an HDMI port and power it, or enable the TV's built-in cast feature. Open the app you'll cast from on your phone or computer, because the cast icon appears only when devices can see each other. Now tap the cast icon to start the pairing process and follow on-screen prompts to connect. You'll now pair and configure the stream so playback is smooth. Select the TV or Chromecast name from the list shown by your app. This tells the sender where to send media. If a 4-digit code appears on the TV, enter it on your phone or laptop to verify security, because that prevents accidental connections. After pairing, make sure the app's playback quality and the TV's volume are set appropriately, and test a short clip to confirm resolution and audio match your expectations. You finish by taking control and knowing what to do if things go wrong. Use the app to play, pause, seek, and stop casting. This offloads playback to the cast device, which preserves battery on your phone. When finished, disconnect from the app or simply turn off the cast device. If casting fails, try restarting Wi-Fi and rebooting both phone and TV. If problems persist, power cycle the Chromecast or perform a factory reset to clear lingering network issues and restore defaults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.